Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 12 calls. My name is Ankit and today we'll see how to trade within a trade using Maruti. But before that, my standard disclaimer, this is only educational video, also a word about me. Alright, so here we have a weekly chart of Maruti. This is around 3 year of data and I'm using 50 EMA along with your weekly chart. Okay, if we look into long-term chart, this looks simple. This looks like a trend line here and this looks like a selling trend line with the up bias, like the resistance. And also if you look down, there's a support line green which is up bias, that like the bottoms are going up, the tops are going up, which confirm this the share is in the uptrend. Okay, so if we look into this particular trend line from this point of time, like 8700, if it comes to here in this circle somewhere here, so somewhere around 7300, that looks like a buying opportunity. So we can consider 7300 is the buying point. Also we can consider this is a selling point which is around 9300. So from 7300 to 9300, if we look, it's around 18% of upside. So we can see a potential 18% upside once it comes to 7300 in next I think 4 to 6 months. All right, we can ignore this particular part. Okay, that's where the trend was broken, but this was more of a corona fall and almost 95% of the share have been fallen and broken during that time. So we can ignore this particular time. So we'll look little further. Now we are into daily chart around 6 months of data, and here we are using Ichimoku. Why Ichimoku? Because Ichimoku is a Japanese system. Maruti is a Japanese based company. So the Japanese trader or Japanese investor follow this system religiously. Okay, so here we can see 3 times this blue arrow. So all these are like buying signal, and every time it is given a good return from here, like almost 1000 point here, 1000 point here, 1000 point here. And if you look from the trend, from the daily point of view also, this is more of a trend. Like there are 2 trends of course, but then I'm talking about the trend which is deeper trend. And if you follow that particular trend, again the point comes out to be somewhere around same 7300. So again, if the share comes out to be 7300, that becomes a buying opportunity from both the point of view, daily chart also, from the weekly chart also. Next we'll look into fundamental. I will only cover the mutual fund holding. So here we can see March it was somewhere around 2.45 and then June it went to 2.81, so continuously increasing. Also if we see, they're around 350, 349, 350, very big number of mutual fund scheme who are holding into this particular company. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today guys. I will conclude here. So if Maruti comes out to be 7300, that becomes a buying opportunity for 8600 and 9300. So yeah, that's all for today guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind.